Hello friends. In this video, I am going to share with you free audio visualizer After Effects template like Benny Productions. You can download this template and use it in your project. If you want any type of text animations or motion graphics used by YouTube creators, you can comment down below. The most requested template will be uploaded in upcoming videos. So guys, subscribe this channel for free premium templates and also press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Let's start the tutorial. This template will work with After Effects 2014 or above versions. Open the project file. Let's import the audio file. Right-click on the project panel. Import, File. Go to Final Comp. Place audio file here. Now let's import the image or logo. Place it in the image comp. Enable shape layer. Now press T to open opacity control. Decrease image opacity. Now press S to open scale properties. Scale the image down and try to keep the face in the circle. Now increase its opacity. It's looking good. Now go to the final comp. Select Audio Spectrum layer. Go to the Effects Control panel. In Audio Spectrum Effect, select your audio file from the Audio Layer drop-down menu. Here you can change the audio spectrum color. If you want to use multicolor, then change hue interpolation to 360 degrees. Change glow setting from here. If you want analog dots or lines, you can change it from here. You can add a background from here. If you want to export this as a transparent clip, then don't use any background. Go to Audio Visualizer Composition. Now go to Composition tab and select Add to Render Queue. Go to the Output module. Here in Format, select QuickTime. Here in the Output, select RGB plus Alpha, if you want this template as a transparent clip. Otherwise, keep it as it is. Here select output location, then hit render. That's it. Thanks for watching.